Hey, welcome back and hello if you're new here. My name's Nancy and I do beauty and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe and let's get on with the video. Do I look different? Do I look tanned? I feel like when I'm tanned, my eyes look more hazel, like more greeny hazel than browny hazel. Yes, I like being tanned. Except my hands, they went wrong. But we're just gonna forget about that. So sorry if you can hear any background noise. My brother's watching YouTube and there's roadworks going on, so it might be a bit loud, but I'll try and edit that out. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, and as I said, I'll do the box eye look. So that's what we're gonna do. And also, I've sort of changed my eyebrows. I've actually made them a bit higher. So I feel like I have more space now. I probably don't, but it just feels like it. So today I'm changing it up a bit again and I'm gonna do face first. Am I? I'm scared to do face first because it's like an eyeliner one. Normally I always do the eyeliner wrong, so I want to clean it up. But we're just gonna go with it. As I was saying, I'm gonna do face first. So I'm gonna start by putting some of the I Heart Revolution fixing spray and cookies and cream on. I don't know why I do that before. Okay, and then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Also, I did try and do, you know, the hairstyle that everyone's been doing with the front bit to the side and in a high ponytail, and it looks sleek and that. Yeah, no, it just wasn't working today. I'll try it again for another video, but it just wasn't working. Also, if you want to see hair videos, I can do them. I know I never really do anything with my hair, but if you want me to, I can. Okay, as I was saying, before the camera died, I don't know why it died though. I'm pretty sure it had more than halfway %, but I could be wrong. So I was saying I was going to do my face makeup first. So I just did my base, like literally foundation, concealer and powder. You saw me do primer. Because I thought, well, you see that all the time, so, and you do it to how you do it. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to finish my face makeup off, and then I'm going to go off camera, do one eye, and then come back and show you how I do it on the other eye. Because I think I know how I want to do it, I'm just not too sure. I can see it in my head, so yeah, hopefully it comes out the way I want. So with your bronzer, I'm just going to take an angle brush because it will be easier to show you. So with your bronzer, you want to just do it upwards. So everything that you do, you want it to go up because you want to lift the face. So I'm just going to start blending it upwards. So I'm just putting, I always put my bronzer just to about where my eyebrow lives, like just at the end of my pupil, just so you don't want it going right down to your mouth, because you're just gonna, well, it depends on your face shape, should I say. What suits your face is different to what suits my face, but if you have the same sort of face as me, then you just want to do it lightly. Or if you don't have cheekbones, you just want to go up and don't take it out too far because it can look muddy. And you just want to blend that softly. If you feel like you're too heavy-handed as well, it's better to hold the brush at the end and do like that, because you don't put as much pressure on them when you hold it and then you're like that. But there is no rules to makeup as well. Just because what I'm telling you isn't right. What I don't do maybe works for you. So yeah, just make sure to test everything. Oh, look at my arm. And if you want to know where your cheekbone goes, I'll do it on this side so you can see. If you lean down, I don't know if you can see that, there's like a darker mark there, and that's where you want to put it. By the way, I don't know if I said I'm taking the Tarte Pro Glow palette by Tarte, and I'm taking Sculpt. Okay, so for blush, I'm just going to take the NYX Down to Earth blusher. Just looks like this. Just taking this BH Cosmetics angle brush. I'm using an angle brush because it will be easier for you to lift it more. So I'm just gonna tap into it lightly. These are really pigmented, so you don't want to don't want to dig into it. So I'm going to turn it this way, so it's facing that way. And I'm just starting up here. I'm not starting here. So I'm just lightly tapping it, like patting it there, like just over my bronzer really. So we're just getting it where we want it. Because we don't want it here, because that will give us a more rounded face. We don't want a more rounded face, we want sculpted. And then I'm going to take the I Heart Revolution Banana Scented Baking Powder. Now, you don't have to bake with it. I like to, but I don't bake for long. I just put it there, give it like 30 seconds and then take it off. So I'm just taking this Real Techniques micro sponge. Now look where my lip is. Go up to my ear, like the top of my ear. Go down a tiny bit. Just drag it along. So like where this bit of you, not where the top of your ear starts here, because that's where you want your bronzer to go. Where that bit of your top bit of your ear ends, if you know what I mean. You just want to pull it there. Just like that. See? It gives it a more lifted look. But yeah, you can wipe that away straight away and it would still give you the same sort of effect. I haven't left it on there long. I've just finished it. I've just put the powder everywhere else and then I'm just gonna blend this out. Now you want to sort of blend it into the bronzer, but you don't want them to like become one. You want it to be a seamless blend between them two, because I'll show you. If you just do that, like that, it just looks like you have a line there, whereas this line isn't as harsh. And highlight as well. So I'm going to take I'm going to take Lit and Sculpt, the top two from the Tarte Pro Glow palette. They just look like that, these two. Tap it on like that. If you saw my last video, which if you haven't, you should go watch, I'll link it in a little card. I actually did one of the TikTok hacks with highlighter. I'm going to do that today. So, and then we're going to spray my face. I'm just going to take both of them again, just a little bit, not like, I'll just put it all over my top. And then we're just going to take a little bit of that, just go over it. Can you see? It just makes it much more brighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, do the eye, see if I like it. Like if I don't, I'll probably take it off and you won't even know that. But I'm going to go do it and I'll be back. Well, it'll be the next clip for you, but I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I've done this eye and I thought I'd just show you this. So this is my eye before, and this is my eye after. Can you see it how it just like elongates, like it makes my cheekbone look like it's more out as well. So I'm going to bring you in closer to do this eye. Okay, I'm taking the P. Louise base in shade 2 on the BH Cosmetics 107 brush and just patting that onto my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. The reason I'm doing a voiceover is because the roadworks got so bad that you couldn't even hear what I was saying. So we're going to have to do with a voiceover for this bit, and I'm not the best at voiceovers if you've listened to my last one. I get a bit all confused of what's going on. I'm just patting that on with my eyelid, just so it's all set, and then I'm taking this Real Techniques brush. It's just like a flat pat, a flat blending brush, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm taking Burnt Orange, and I'm just patting it onto the outer corner and then flicking it out, sort of like a liner, so it creates like that base for my eyeliner, my eyeshadow eyeliner, shall I say. And this is just so it can blend in, it has something to blend into, and I'll flick it into the inner corner in a minute, and when I do, you'll see I get as close to my lash line as possible, and I don't go right to the inner corner. I go to like where my pupil is and then leave it there, just because we don't want to cover up the lid, and I don't have a lot of space on my lid at the front especially. By the way, when you're doing this, don't go into the crease, stay away from the crease. I'm just taking a bigger blending brush just to blend it out some more, just so it isn't as harsh, because we want this look to be a bit more soft. Then I'm taking a Revolution brush, and I'm taking Rustic and Sienna from the same palette, and I'm taking it lower than, not going as high as the other shade. This is just to give more definition to the eye, to be honest, just so it's a bit more reddy, shall I say. It has a more red undertone than the other colour, and it looks really pretty blended with the black. It gives that really sort of, oh, these cards, they don't know when to shut up, don't they know that I'm filming? Anyway, I'm such an idiot, I'm so bad at these as well. Now I'm taking a BH108 brush, I believe, with Noor from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. That's just the black shade, and doing like an eyeliner with this. I'm just checking to make sure they're the same, and I'm using this instead of a liquid eyeliner just because it's less harsh and it's easier to blend out, and I feel like it looks better like this as well. I'll start off with a small eyeliner and then I'll work my way up, and you'll see I'll go back and forth between all the colours just to make sure everything's blended. Blend, blend, blend. That's all this is really, is blending. It's really easy, this look, and it's great to give your eyes that lift as you saw before. You just don't want to blend it too much to the point where it goes into the crease and it looks like you have a black eye. You can see I just darkened it up again, and then I'll blend it back out again in a minute. So I forgot to tell you last week, but I'm going to be doing a question in the comment section, and I think I'm going to start choosing the best comment and shouting it out at the end of my video, so make sure you check that out and comment the answer to the question. It's just whichever one I like the best. I'm just taking the Rimmel 1 Deluxe mascara, my false eyelash mascara. I always use it, just coating the eyelashes. So yeah, make sure to check out the comment section, it'll be pinned so you know which one to press. I'm just taking the Doll Lashes in Taylor, and I'm snipping off the end of it because I don't like when eyelashes touch the inner corner of my eye, it irritates it. Then I'm taking NYX Epic Ink liner, well not Heroine, I'm taking some more eyeshadow just to give me a guide to where I should put the other colour, and I'm just doing the inner part of the eyeliner just to give it that full fox cat eye look. I'm taking the Graphic Black Technicolor liner, I'm putting it into my waterline just to give it more of a feline feel, that just darkens everything up. It's really pretty, and really that's the eyes done with. It's super easy. I think I could, if I do this again, I think I could do it in 10 minutes. I'm not going to say 5 because there's no way I can do the eyeliner in 5. So then we move on to lips, the very last step. So I'm taking the Honey Cosmetics Hum Bun lip liner from the Hum Bun lip kit. I always use these lip liners, especially this one. They're just so creamy and they're so pretty. And then I'm changing it up and I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. Did you see how pretty that was? I'm putting it on my lips, and I'm taking taking the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Oh, I love every single Fenty Gloss Bomb there is. I only have 2, but I definitely want to get more. And this is the finished look. The door just opened and closed. There's me posing with my messy hair. Messy. Let's just not even talk about that.
So make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out my Instagram, link will be in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye!